Have you ever heard diabetes? What is diabetes? Do you know how dangerous is it for our healthy? Let's you see some complications of diabetes images, you will feel it is really scary. It causes myocardial infarction, hypertension, stroke, foot injure, even leading of death. Nowadays, diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death in the United States and may be underreported. More than 34 million people in the United States have diabetes, and 1 in 5 of them don't know they have it. So diabetes is called a silent killer. When you were diagnosed diabetes, you felt shocking, worrying and scared about your health. You wanted to shout out loud, "Not me, not now, not ever." Did you talk with your friend or your family? And did you go online to search answers or any related information? I understand about your mentality and difficulties that you must face to face. But you please calm down to find out solutions for your healthy. 1. Do you know what is diabetes? Diabetes is a serious disease where your blood glucose level is too high. That affects how your body turns food into energy. It begins the most of the food you eat is broken down into sugar, also called glucose, and released into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, it signals your pancreas to release insulin. Insulin acts like a key to let the blood sugar into your body's cells for use as energy. 2. Diabetes is increasing. There are 2 main types, type 1 and type 2. They're different conditions, but they're both serious. Type 1 diabetes accounts for 10% of all diabetes and is increasing. Type 2 diabetes accounts for 85% of all diabetes and is increasing. Gestational diabetes in pregnancy is increasing. Type 1 diabetes is caused by an autoimmune reaction that stops your body from making insulin. Approximately 5 to 10% of the people who have diabetes have type 1. With type 2 diabetes, your body doesn't use insulin well and can't keep blood sugar at normal levels. About 90 to 95% of people with diabetes have type 2. It develops over many years and is usually diagnosed in adults but more and more in children, teens, and young adults. Type 2 diabetes can be prevented or delayed with healthy lifestyle changes, such as losing weight, eating healthy food, and being active. Type 2 diabetes is increasing at the fastest rate. There are large numbers of people with silent, undiagnosed type 2 diabetes which may be damaging their bodies. More and more pregnancy women have diabetes. Gestational diabetes is a condition in which a woman without diabetes develops high blood sugar levels during pregnancy. Babies born to mothers with poorly treated gestational diabetes are at increased risk of being too large. Children are at higher risk of being overweight and developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Diabetes warning signs. As you know, diabetes is very dangerous disease. So it is diagnosed early necessary. Most early symptoms are from higher than normal levels of glucose, a kind of sugar, in your blood. Actually, the warning signs can be so mild that you don't notice them. That's especially true of type 2 diabetes. Some people don't find out they have it until they get problems from long-term damage caused by the disease. The first, frequent urination. Normally, a person usually has to urinate 4 to 7 times in 24 hours, but people with diabetes can go more often. Why? When blood sugar levels are high, the kidneys try to remove the excess sugar by filtering it out of the blood. The second, always feeling hungry and tired. Your body converts the food into the glucose your cells use to get energy. But your cells need insulin to absorb glucose. If your body does not make enough or any type of insulin, or resistant to the insulin, glucose cannot penetrate into them and you have no energy. This can make you more hungry and tired than usual. The third, blurry vision. And excessive sugar in the blood can damage the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, which can cause blurry vision. This blurry vision can occur in one or both of the eyes and may come and go. If a person with diabetes goes without treatment, the damage to these blood vessels can become more severe, and permanent vision loss may eventually occur. The fourth, dry mouth and itchy skin. Because your body is using liquid to urinate, the moisture for other things will be less. You may be dehydrated, and your mouth may feel dry. Dry skin can make you itchy. If you or a member in your family who has any warning sign above, Let's go to hospital for blood testing or call to the doctor to diagnose diabetes for early treatment.